Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can switch 5G on your iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments at the end of the video, and let us get started with you. So, open up the phone settings on your iPhone. And next, you'll need to go to an option like this, which is called, in my case, Cellular. Maybe on your iPhone model it will be called Cellular. You'll need to go to that. And if you had a single SIM card, then you'll need to go to Mobile Data Options. This is where you'll find voice and data. And as you can see, it's set to LTE. So automatically, it's set to 4G. And if you go to voice data, then you might have, here you can switch to 5G. My cell phone carrier, it only supports 4G and 3G. If you have a list here and 5G, then you can just switch to 5G and that's it. If you have multiple SIM cards, then when you go into cellular or mobile, then you won't have this mobile data option, you won't have this section. You will have everything divided into two groups for separate numbers, for different SIM cards. And under each one you will be able to find the same section. This is voice and data. And for each you can enable 5G if your mobile operator supports 5G. So you'll be able to enable 5G on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, be sure to put your likes, and see you soon.